Hello, mo sọ fún pé mo dàm láàmú. Mo sọ fún pé mo lọ sí birthday akíkanjú Máyọ̀wá lónìí náà. Ojoojúmọ́ mo ti ń sọ fún pé mo lọ sí birthday lónìí. Àbó ti gbàgbé pé òní ni on the 12th ni. Every 12th ni birthday rẹ̀ náà. Àó kí o ti gbàgbé ìwọ náà máa gbàdúrà fún pé k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ó ṣe ẹ̀mí gígùn. Okay, yes.
Yes, oh, you know what? Timan so English, you man ginger spirit, you man ginger brain, yes. I mean like most local language. So guys, so yes, on the 22nd, my invite to worship birthday. So my law, about Koswala. Okay. You know we don't use local language in my own dictionary. Yes, we use eschatology language, not local language. Local language sounds so stupid to me. But when you're speaking in eschatology, yes, there is a word that okay. Yes, I'm hearing you. You know, so I'm waiting for the 3 million now to be done into my sentilenza. Yes, into my sentilenza. Now I'm going to do the very tangible, yes, tangible work. Okay. See, sorry, I'm going to call you back. Okay.
Cause think I got to say you to go me. Did they jare? Oh, go. Did they jare? Could they second jare? Was it called no? Eh?
I've been writing you that when you want to block something. I've enlightened you that when you want to do electricity, you're supposed to use your elaborate knowledge, not local. You do like this. You do like this. You do like this.
Enjoy that video, not just laugh, they go now. Okay. Press that red button, the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell, the notification button, so that anytime when we go do new video, you're gonna be the first to get it. I don't know if you're understanding me right now. Shit, go my phone. Go.